Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to make file available for offline. So if you want to make file available for offline, here's a quick guide or a simple way on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is you have to locate the file you want to make available for offline. So just have to scroll through the file. So for example, this file, I want to make this file available offline. This is the file, which is untitled document. So I'll just have to right click on it. Once I right click on it, then I'll just click on the option right here, which is make available offline. Or probably if you want to right click, you can just simply do this, highlight the file, then click on the three dot icon right in front of the file. Right click on it, then you can find the make available offline under the file formation. So just click on the make available offline. You can see file mark available offline, and that is how you can simply make a file available for offline. Now here is a quick guide to be sure that this file is particularly make available for offline. Whenever you make a file available for offline, there will be a circle check mark right in front of the file, and that indicates that this particular file is specially made for offline use, and that's how to make file available for offline. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.